What is your name? Truth. Oh, no. Sorry. What a beautiful name. Everybody say, hello, Zafira. And give me a high five. Now, here, this little feature.
ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக் டு அவர் சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நான் ஒரு சூப்பரான வீடியோ உங்க கூட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்க போகிறேன். ஸோ கனடாவில் இந்த சம்மரில் நிறைய பார்க்கில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃப்ரீ ஃபுட்டு கொடுப்பாங்க, பார்பிக்யூ பார்ட்டி வைப்பாங்க, பிக்னிக் அதெல்லாம் கூட வைப்பாங்க. நம்ம இப்போ எங்கே இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்கார்பரோவில் தாம்சன் மெமோரியல் பார்க்கில் இருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த பார்க்கில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய கிரேட் அம்சங்கள்லாம் இருக்குது.
Now breathe in. Now breathe out. Now last time, breathe in and hold. Breathe in and hold. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. And breathe out. Okay, that's my show. See you later. Bye.
மோஸ்ட்லி ஃப்ரீ பார்க் ஈவெண்ட் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் மைண்டில் வச்சுக்க வேண்டியது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சர்வ். சம்டைம்ஸ் நம்ம இந்த லாங் கியூலாம் இருக்கும், அதனால் முன்னாடியே போயிருங்க. ஸோ இப்போ மியூசிஷியன் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காரு, நம்ம வந்து அதை வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம்.
Like soccer. Wait a second. Put up your hand if you like movies. I'm going to name some movies. You tell me if you've ever seen them before. Have you guys ever seen a movie called Ghostbusters? Yep. Have you guys ever heard of a movie called Lilo and Stitch? Okay, very good. Have you guys ever heard of a movie called Wicked? Well, boys and girls, this movie is so old, but it's very famous. Have you guys ever heard of a movie called The Wizard of Oz? Everybody has them. Well, boys and girls, The Wizard of Oz, they had three characters. They have Scarecrow, they had the Tin Man, and the Lion, right. And then there was Dorothy and her little dog. Well, they walked down the path in the yellow brick road. They found these trees, and the trees had apples, and they whipped stuff at them. But underneath one of the trees, I saw these beautiful flowers, and here they are. They're so great, but wait a second. They smell good, and you know what? I think I'm going to give them as a present to my wife. But I don't know whether she loves me or not. So what we're going to have to do, well, I do know what. We're going to say the poem. It goes something like this. And you guys can say it with me. Everybody say, she loves me.
She loves me.
She loves me. Oh. She loves me not.
She loves me not.
Wait a second. Let's find out if she loves me. She loves me. Everybody say, she loves me.
She loves me.
Okay. She loves me not.
She loves me.
Wait, is that all there is, or is there one left? Wait a second. I think she loves me. Let's give her a round of applause. All right. Oh no. Oh no, I ruined the flowers. I can't give them to her. This is just a green stem. Wait a second. Maybe I might be able to do some magic and make flowers flow out of the green stem. Now, when I count to three, I need everybody to say, magic flowers grow. 1, 2, 3. Magic flowers grow. Wait, do I sound like Santa Claus or do I sound like Tarzan? It didn't work. I know it didn't, because you didn't say it loud enough. When I count to three, I want you to scream. Magic flowers grow. 1, 2, 3. Did you like that? Oh, she nodded. Give her a clap. Oh, boys and girls, you know what? I don't know. Wait a second. If I'm doing a magic show, what does a magician hold in his hand to make magic happen? A magic, what is it called? A magic turtle? No. A magic squirrel? No. A magic hot dog? No. What is it? A magic? I can't believe it. She got it. Give her a round of applause. I know you guys did magic wand. Oh, wait a second. Put up your hand if you brought your magic wand. Wait a second. Watch this. Oh, put up your hand if you see a magic wand on the table. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the magic wand. I'm going to turn around, grab the magic wand, and wave over the green stem. If you see flowers, I need you guys to say magic flowers. You guys ready? Okay, just hang on. Let me see if I can do this. What magic flowers? Where are the magic flowers? Where are they? They're behind me? Oh, they're behind me. Magic flowers. You guys playing a trick on me. Try not to fool me. Now when I count to 3, I want you to say, Magic Flowers Grow. 1, 2, 3. Magic Flowers! Wait a second. Take a look at this one. Can you see the taping this white thing to it? Tell me if you can see the tape. Yeah, you know why? Because I broke it. And when you break a one, it doesn't work. But wait a second. We have another one. Would you guys like me to use the bigger one? Okay, so just hang on. I'll see you behind my back. Are you sure? And here they are. The Magic Flowers behind my back. You guys playing a trick on me again? Oh, no. Wait a second. Let me lay this thing. Oh, no. I would like to publicly apologize. My knee hurts. Oh, I may have to cancel the show, but wait a second. I'm gonna lift my knee up. Tell me if you guys hear something strange. Just hang on. Wait, did you guys hear something strange? Now wait, I'm gonna lift my other knee up. Tell me if you guys hear something strange. Wait, did you guys hear something strange? Now wait a second. Is the sound coming from my knee or is the sound coming from my wand? Where is it coming from? Oh, wait a second. You know what? I think you guys it sounds like a cow. Did you guys put a cow in my wand? Now, ladies and gentlemen, and Michael Thompson, I promised I'd do a show, but I never promised anything would work. I'd like to apologize to you. I guess in a million years, I just will never, ever be able to make those flowers grow. I'm sorry, guys. What? You see something? Where are they? They're behind my what? Behind my table? Where are they? Behind me? And here they are! Just playing a trick on me. Come on, stop fooling around. Wait a second. Okay, guys, I was just kind of messing with you. But to be honest, I'm going to tell you, I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to tell you the secret. Inside every little boy and girl's stuffed belly is magic air. So when I count to 3, everybody blow towards the green stump, and maybe we can make the flowers grow together. So let's get this straight. When I count to 3, you guys go as hard as you can, and let's see if we can all make the flowers go. 1, 2, 3. You did it. Give yourself a round of applause. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. Oh, I'm so glad. Wait a second. Wait a second. No. Achoo! Oh no. Sorry about that. Achoo! Oh no. Sorry about that. I can't believe it, boys and girls. Give yourself a round of applause, everybody. You guys are great. You're groovy. You're fantastic, and you're wonderful. Okay, now we're going to try something. I'm going to try something I've never done. So first of all, what I'd like to heard of Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. Right? Have you guys ever heard of Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse goes up the clock? Okay, but wait a second. My favorite nursery rhyme of all. Have you guys ever heard of Humpty Dumpty? Now boys and girls, now wait a second. Is Humpty Dumpty a squirrel or is Humpty Dumpty an egg?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, not only did I bring good old Humpty, but I brought his house. Would you guys like to see Humpty's house? And boys and girls, here it is, this beautiful house. And if you look carefully, can you guys say Humpty Dumpty? Let me open the doorknob, and I'm going to open it up. And you come in, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for boys and girls. He's supposed to be in his living room. Very carefully. Can you tell me what color is Humpty's yellow shirt? Now, did you say yellow or did you say yellow? Now wait a second. What color is Humpty's pink butt? What is your name? Ooh, what a beautiful name. Everybody say, hello, Zafira. Hello, Zafira. And give me a high five. Now, Zafira, is it okay just for a moment? Can I make you
பார்பிக்யூ பார்ட்டியில் நமக்கு வந்து பர்கர், சாசேஜ், அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் ஐஸ்கிரீமு இதெல்லாமே ஃப்ரீயாக கிடைக்கும். ஸோ இங்கே நான் டேஸ்ட் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன், செம்ம டேஸ்ட்டாக இருந்துச்சு. சில இடங்களில் கிவ் அவே பேக்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து எஜுகேஷன், அதுக்கப்புறம் என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட், இந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள், ஃபிட்னஸ், இந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள்லாம் டென்ட் போட்டு நிறைய விஷயங்கள் ஷேர் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ அது கூட நம்ம இங்கே வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ ஃப்ரீயாக வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம் இந்த மாதிரி இடங்களில். இன்னும் வந்து அப்கமிங் ஈவெண்ட் பார்த்திங்கன்னா 25-26 ஃபோக் ஃபெஸ்ட் நடக்குது இதே பார்க்கில். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து போகணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக போய் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள். பட் வந்து க்ரௌட் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கும். கனடாவில் எங்களோட லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு சில வீடியோக்களும் அதுக்கப்புறம் குக்கிங் சம்மந்தமான வீடியோக்கள்லாம் நம்ம சேனலில் வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். இது வரைக்கும் நம்மளை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுற எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண மறக்காதீங்க.